I got introduced with Yachty. I was at an Airbnb. It was just like a bunch of like Detroit rappers, and I kind of just went up to him. And I was just like, "Yo, I want to play you some beats," and just played him some beats. And because my beats are pretty fucking cool, he was like, "Yo, this shit's fire."
You went up to him,
dude. I don't give a fuck, bro. If I fucking see someone like, bro, it's fucking Lil Yachty, bro. I'm 25 years old, bro. Like Lil Yachty's like, fucking, you know what I mean? Like, it's Lil Yachty. Of course, I'm gonna fucking go up to him. And it's also like, bro, they don't like it, bro. They don't like it. It's not the end of the world. Like, you fucking try again. What do they say on Twitter? Ball up top. Like.